PrizePicks, why did I receive a payout that's different from the standard rates? Now, if you received a payout that is different from the standard rates, there are a couple of reasons why this happens. First of all, you can see some leagues may have unique payout rates based on specific combinations of picks within a lineup. For example, payout rates can vary if you select multiple players within the same game. Lineup mates on a specific sport such as PGA golf may also have occasional varied payouts. Additionally, lineups that includes diamond or goblin projections will alter the standard payout rates. And this is why the payout that you receive may also differ from the standard rate. I hope this video helped you answer your question. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.